Most traders waste years chasing strategies, blowing accounts, and buying books that sound smart, but teach nothing. Today, I'm giving you the 5 Forex books that actually changed the way I trade. No fluff, just real value. If you only read one book about trading mindset, let it be this one. Trading in the Zone literally rewired how I think about winning and losing. Douglas teaches that trading isn't about predicting, it's about managing probabilities. I used to panic after a loss, now I just move on. That mindset shift alone saved my account. But this one dives deeper into emotions. Fear of pulling the trigger. Greed after a win. Sound familiar? This is the Bible of technical analysis. Yes, it's a big book, but if you want to understand price movement, support resistance, indicators, it's all in here. I used to jump from YouTube strategy to YouTube strategy. This book helped me build my own foundation and stop copying others. This one feels like reading a pro trader's journal. Brandt takes you inside his real trades, wins, losses, and how he handles risk. I learned this. Risk per trade matters more than your win rate. He proved it with decades of data. That's the kind of proof most traders never see. If you're tired of indicators cluttering your chart, this book's for you. Naked Forex is all about price action. Clean, simple, powerful. After reading this, I went indicator-free for a month. My trading didn't just improve. It felt like I could finally read the market. Books won't make you rich overnight, but they'll give you something more powerful: clarity and confidence in your process. If you've read any of these, drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want a part 2 with more underrated Forex books, hit that like button and let me know.